In this experiment, we will demonstrate the basic principle of regenerative braking with a motor and a flywheel. Set up the apparatus and keep the switch at position B. Switch on the DC power supply. Turn the switch to position A to set the flywheel in motion. When the flywheel rotates steadily, open the circuit by turning the switch to position B. Meanwhile, time the stopping time of the flywheel. Now, repeat the experiment. When the flywheel rotates steadily, turn the switch to position C. What happens to the light bulb? Compare the stopping time of the flywheel in the cases.